So let's continue our journey from Hagnaya Port to Cebu City and where we stayed at and which places we get to see while in Cebu City. So stick around and watch. Upon arriving from Santa Fe Port, Bantayan Island, back to Hagnaya Port, the usual transportation is to take a Ceres Bus to North Cebu Bus Terminal. But we managed to rent a van all to ourselves to take us directly to our hotel, which we booked for the day and the next until our scheduled flight back home in Manila. Hagnaya Port to Mayflowerinn is about 108 kilometers or 2 hours and 36 minutes. Mayflower is just 1 kilometer or 10 minutes walk from Fente Osmeña Circle. It offers a restaurant and bar, fitness center, and some board games. They even have sungka and foosball table. The room have key and key switch, 2 twin beds or 4 single beds, aircon, free Wi-Fi, vanity table, bathroom with toiletries and closet. The place is eco-friendly with quaint decor and in a good location with good price point. From our hotel, we booked a grab ride and head to our first destination, which is the Magallanes Cross. It only took us about 15 minutes via Osmena Blvd. This Christian cross planted by Portuguese and Spanish explorers as ordered by Ferdinand Magellan upon arriving in Cebu in the Philippines on March 17, 1521. This cross is housed in a chapel next to the Basilica Minore del Santo Nino on Magallanes Street, just in front of the city center of Cebu City. After our visit to Magellan's Cross, we took a jeepney to Taboan Public Market that sells variety of pasalubong from Cebu delicacies to dried fish. Third stop is the Larsen Food Court in Don Mariano Street, Cebu City. It is a popular barbecue place as almost Manila's Tampa, where you can pick your food and have it cooked. We got steamed fish, Cebu's lechon, pork barbecues, fish, squid, and some lechon manok. On the next day and our last day in Cebu City, we went to pick some local cafe to have our lunch. We ordered seafood puttanesca and beef and mushroom stew. The place is chic and cozy at the same time, and the food is great. It is time to head back to Manila. We hope we get to see you on our next vlog. As the Dalai Lama said, once a year, go someplace you've never been before.